Alright guys, so a trend that I see coming back up, MLM platforms and MLM and network marketing programs popping up left and right. I'm seeing them all over my Instagram, all over my Twitter, okay, and I'm starting to see them in my YouTube feed, alright? With all these network marketing and MLM companies popping up, I want to kind of help you guys who are interested in that type of stuff, give you a little information that'll help you find the right one so that you're not getting caught up in a lot of the fraudulent network marketing companies out there and throwing away your money. Okay, so the very first thing when it comes to looking for a good MLM company is finding out how long that company has been around. Okay, now usually the way it works is that the bullshit, the nonsense MLM companies, they usually don't last long. Give it about 1 to 2 years max. Okay, they do a lot of underhanded and a lot of shady things. Okay, they're not registered anywhere. They don't have like a real legit business or company or anything like that, and they tend not to last long. Okay, you want to look for one that's been around for someone that's been around for like at least 5+ years. Okay, you've got plenty of good MLM companies who've been around for a long time. Okay, the next thing you want to look for is how they're actually funding their company. Okay, are you the one funding the company, throwing your money into it and then recruiting other people to throw their money into it? Is this how they're getting funded? Or do they have a legit product or service? And that's going into the next thing. Okay, what type of product or service do they provide? And to take it a step further, is this product or is this service, can it be used standalone? Or, again, like I mentioned a few minutes ago, does it only work for people who are in the company putting their money in? Okay, does it only work for people that you're recruiting? So let me give you an example of a few companies that have standalone products and services that you can use outside of recruiting people and using that whole MLM structure. So the first company that have right off the top of my head is ACN. ACN provides competitive pricing for utilities and like telecommunications and internet and things like that. They provide a service. Okay, Herbalife, another example, dietary supplementation. Okay, again, these products you can use standalone. You can use these products, you can sell these products standalone. All right, Avon, beauty products. Beachbody, fitness products. Okay, Mary Kay, cosmetics. Okay, you see what I'm getting at? All these MLM companies offer standalone products or services that you can use outside of the MLM structure. Okay, while you may be recruiting people to make more money, okay, they have products that stand on their own 2 feet. You get what I'm saying? Like, these are products and services that people can actually use. Like, who doesn't want to pay for cheaper utilities, right? Or somebody who's looking for health supplements, like, who wouldn't want to buy these health supplements? Or, somebody who's looking to get in shape, who wouldn't want to jump into a fitness program? You see what I'm saying? Like, these are products and services that people are actually wanting, they're willing to buy, and the network marketing aspect should be like icing on the cake, something that's add-on. Okay, so it's just something to think about if you're looking to join one of these companies. Okay, and going right along and piggybacking off of that, like I said a few seconds ago, these companies are cropping up left and right, and a lot of them are chasing trends. And right now, the trend that's being chased is Forex and cryptocurrency. Okay, you have a lot of these popping up left and right, and you have those people who are chasing trends. They jump in. You really got to watch out for these companies, because a lot of times they'll have like phony company names that's registered to some place, some make-believe place in some other country, and like I said, it'll be all hype, and they'll talk about how much money you can make, and it really does make a lot of these really legit MLM companies look bad. Okay, so you really got to watch out for these companies that's chasing trends. Okay, like, do your due diligence to like do homework on the company and make sure that everything is legit. Like, they have a legit company, a legit leader behind the company who has some experience in MLMs, or just do your due diligence to make sure that the company that you're dealing with is legit. Okay. Now, something that you do want to watch out for, and I think this is pretty shady, some of them offer like direct commissions, like when you get people to sign up, but it's considered gifting, and sometimes your commissions don't go to you, they go to your upline. Okay. And I think that's really shitty. If you're putting in the work and you're signing people up, you should get that commission. Now, if your upline gets kickback off of that, okay, fine, cool. But for them to get the whole commission, I think that's nonsense. So you really want to watch out for the gifting thing. I'm not really a fan of that. Make sure you get a direct commission off whatever sale you make, okay? And if you're not getting a commission at all, like you gotta like bring in like 5 or 10 or 15 people, forget it. I wouldn't even waste my time with it, okay? For me personally, I like that affiliate marketing access where it's direct commissions, and that's what I look for, and I would suggest you look for the same thing. And I think the most important of all of these is, will you have fun with it? If you're calling and harassing people all day, if your upline is just telling you to call and harass people all day, that's not fun. You're not learning anything, okay? It's not really an experience. You may be finding some level of success with it, but it's not fun. You're not enjoying it, and you may end up giving up on it because it's stressing you out. It's aggravating you, and you're tired of aggravating other people. Chasing people who aren't interested. And with the way things work in modern day, you can target the people who want this stuff. You know what I mean? The people who are interested in that product or that service or building a business for this. You can target those people. All right. So you don't have to be all random and chasing people and harassing people and all that other nonsense. It's way more efficient ways to go about doing all this stuff. Okay. And yeah, like I said, I'm not going to be one to bash MLM companies. Okay. Because I do like some aspects of network marketing. Okay. And like I said, with the way that they're hybridizing affiliate marketing with network marketing, they're bringing the best of both worlds into, one business model. Okay, and that's something that I really like. So I'm done rambling for the day. Like I said, it was just something that I'm starting to see a lot. So I wanted to give you guys some useful information so that you can make an informed decision and you don't get into a situation where you're losing your money off of a fraudulent company. All right. So, with that being said, this video is done. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Share this out with anybody who, we all got that. We all got those friends who like those type of companies. Okay, just share this video out with them, and it'll help give them better insight to make better decisions and not get ripped off by one of these shitty companies. All right, but like I said, that's all I got for today. I'm done. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.